Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Walmart. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. And above here you will search about Walmart and we click. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Walmart and then you will update your app. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.